Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Sarah.
And I am Davis. We are so happy to have you here. Today, we are going to talk about something that everyone wants.
Money?
No.
Pizza?
Close, but no. We are talking about happiness and positivity.
Ah, yes. You know, Davis, I read an interesting fact yesterday. Scientists say that our brains are like Velcro for bad things and Teflon for good things.
Wait, Velcro is that sticky tape, right? And Teflon is the slippery stuff on a frying pan?
Exactly. It means bad memories stick to our brains very easily, but good memories slide off quickly.
That explains a lot. If 10 people say, good job, and one person says, you are stupid, I only remember the you are stupid comment.
Right. That is human nature. We are built to see danger and problems. But the good news is we can change this.
We can retrain our brains?
Yes, happiness is a skill, like playing the guitar. You have to practice it. Today, we have a 6-step masterclass on how to become a positive person.
Before we start, let's talk about what positivity is not.
Good idea. Being positive does not mean you are happy 100% of the time.
If your dog runs away or you lose your job, you should not smile and say, yay, that is crazy. That is called toxic positivity.
Correct. It is okay to be sad. It is okay to cry.
Real positivity is about resilience.
Resilience, that is a B2 word. It means when you fall down, you stand up again.
It means thinking, okay, this situation is bad, but it will not last forever. I can fix this.
So, step 1 is accept your feelings. Don't hide them, but don't stay in the sadness forever.
Now, step 2, this is a magic trick with words.
So, we often complain about our daily tasks. We say, I have to go to work. I have to clean the house.
Have to feels heavy. It feels like a prison.
Try changing just one word. Change have to get to.
I get to go to work.
This means you are lucky to have a job. Many people don't have jobs.
I get to clean the house.
This means you are lucky to have a house. Many people are homeless.
Wow, it changes everything. It changes a burden into a gift.
Let's practice. Davis, complain about something.
Ugh, I have to go grocery shopping.
Now flip it.
I get to go grocery shopping. It means I have money to buy food. I'm lucky.
Exactly. Your words control your brain. Speak carefully.
Step 3 is a game I play when I'm angry. It's called finding the silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining. That's a famous idiom. It means in every bad situation, there is something good.
Let's imagine a bad situation. You missed the bus. You are late. You are standing in the rain.
Okay, that is bad, but what is the silver lining?
Maybe because I missed the bus, I have 10 extra minutes to listen to my favorite podcast.
Or maybe I met a new friend at the bus stop.
Another situation. You catch a cold. You are sick in bed.
Silver lining. I can finally sleep. My body is telling me to rest. I can watch movies all day without guilt.
Listeners, try this. Next time something bad happens, ask yourself, what is the good part of this?
It's like a treasure hunt for happiness. Step 4 is about your body. Davis, show me a sad person.
Okay, my shoulders are down, my head is down, I'm frowning.
Now, show me a happy person.
Shoulders back, head up, big smile.
Did you know that your body tells your brain how to feel?
Really?
Yes. If you force yourself to smile for 30 seconds, your brain thinks, oh, we are smiling. We must be happy. And it releases happy chemicals.
So, fake it until you make it?
Yes, try the pencil trick. Put a pencil between your teeth. It forces your mouth to smile.
Ugh, I feel silly, but I also feel a little happier.
Also, posture. If you sit like a potato, you will feel lazy. Stand up straight, take a deep breath. You will feel more confident immediately.
The final step is about your modern life. It's about social media.
Davis, how do you feel after scrolling through Instagram or Facebook for 1 hour?
Honestly, I feel bad. Everyone looks richer than me. Everyone looks more beautiful than me. Everyone is on vacation in Bali.
Exactly. Social media is the thief of joy. It makes us compare our lives to others.
So, we need a media diet.
Yes, unfollow people who make you feel bad. Follow people who make you laugh or teach you things, like us.
And take a break. Put your phone away for 1 hour before sleep. Read a book. Talk to your family.
Your brain needs rest from the screen. Real life is better than the screen.
Finally, step 6. This is the fastest way to feel good. Do something nice for someone else.
It's like a boomerang. When you throw kindness out, it comes back to you.
It doesn't have to be money. It can be small. Smile at the cashier. Hold the door for a stranger. Send a text to your mom saying, I love you.
When you see someone smile because of you, you feel like a superhero.
It releases dopamine. That's the happy chemical in your brain.
So, if you are having a bad day, stop thinking about yourself. Go help someone else. Your bad day will disappear.
We learned some great words today. Let's review.
So, Velcro versus Teflon, sticking versus sliding, resilience, standing up after falling, toxic positivity, faking happiness, silver lining, the good part of a bad situation, dopamine, the happy chemical.
Now we have a challenge for you.
For the next 24 hours, we want you to try the no complaining rule.
0 complaints. No complaining about traffic, no complaining about the weather, no complaining about food.
If you catch yourself complaining, stop and say one thing you are grateful for instead.
This traffic is terrible, but I have a car and I'm safe.
Can you do it? It's harder than you think.
Write in the comments, I accept the challenge.
We believe in you. Train your brain. Choose happiness.
Thank you for watching. Stay positive.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.